Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change your password in the Xapp. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and tap open the Xapp. Once your Xapp gets open, you need to click on the profile icon on the left hand side of the corner and you need to press on the settings and support option. Once you do this, you can simply click on settings and privacy option where you can find the your account option. After you press on it, you can find the change your password option right in the drop down menu. Now all you need to do is simply type in your current password and then type in a new password. And after you are done typing in both, then all you need to do is confirm the password again by typing the new password one more time. So after you're done filling all the credentials, you need to simply press on update password and your password will be updated. So this is how you change password on the Xapp. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.